Are you staring at a wall of reciprocating saws online and have absolutely no idea which one is actually worth your money? Yeah, we've been there. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best reciprocating saws right now, covering power, portability, battery life, and price, so you can stop guessing and start cutting. Let's get into it. Number 1. CC Reciprocating Saw. CC Reciprocating Saw kicks off our list with a brushless 21-volt cordless setup that spins up to 3,500 RPM, which is seriously impressive at this price point. It comes loaded with two 4-ampere-hour batteries right out of the box, so you've got plenty of runtime before you even think about charging. The tool-free blade change makes swapping between wood, PVC, and pruning blades a breeze, and the built-in LED work light keeps things visible in dim spots. If you want a capable cordless kit that doesn't nickel and dime you on accessories, this is a great starting point. Next up is the DeWalt DWE-305, a corded beast running on a 12-ampere motor that delivers up to 2,900 SPM with a full 1 to 1/8-inch stroke length. This thing was built for demolition. Think tearing through walls, cutting pipes, and ripping out framing with zero hesitation. The 4-position keyless blade clamp adds real versatility for awkward cuts, and the variable speed trigger keeps you in control. At around 7 pounds, it's not the lightest tool on the block, but when you need heavy-duty corded power, the DWE-305 absolutely delivers. Coming in at number 3 is the DeWalt DCS-369B, part of the 20-volt Max Atomic line, and this one is all about going small without losing performance. It weighs just 3.1 pounds and is designed to be used one-handed, which makes overhead cuts and tight space work genuinely manageable. The brushless motor pushes 2,700 to 2,800 SPM with a 5/8-inch stroke, and the pivoting shoe plus LED light make it a polished package for precision work. If you work in crawl spaces, attics, or tight corners on the regular, this compact powerhouse is hard to beat. Up next is the Fulia Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a budget-friendly brushless option that punches above its price tag for casual users. It includes batteries, a charger, and tool-free blade change right in the kit, so there's nothing extra to buy before you get started. Variable speed control and an LED work light round out the features nicely for a DIY-focused tool. It won't replace a pro-grade saw on a full renovation job, but for weekend projects and occasional demo work, this is a solid, no-fuss pick. At number 5, we have the Skill-9 206-02 Variable Speed Reciprocating Saw, a corded 7.5-ampere saw that covers the essentials without breaking the bank. The variable speed trigger gives you real control over different materials, and the tool-less blade change keeps things quick between cuts. What stands out here is the built-in vibration reduction, which makes longer cutting sessions a lot less punishing on your hands and wrists. If you want a reliable corded option for home renovation projects and you're watching your budget, the Skill-9 206-02 is a smart, sensible choice. Moving along to number 6, the Craftsman V20 Reciprocating Saw is sold as a bare tool, which means it's designed for anyone already rocking the V20 battery platform. The variable speed trigger, pivoting shoe, and tool-free blade release give it a feature set that feels well above its price. If you're already invested in Craftsman the V20 batteries from a drill or circular saw, this is a plug-and-play addition that makes total sense. Great value for existing Craftsman users who want to expand their cordless lineup without spending on extra batteries. halfway through, and here's a fan favorite. The DeWalt DCS 367B from the 20-volt Max XR line hits a sweet spot between compact size and serious professional performance. The brushless motor cranks out up to 2,900 SPM with a 1 to 1/8 inch stroke, all from a tool that's only about 14.5 inches long and 5 pounds. The 4-position keyless blade clamp, LED light, and XR battery efficiency make this a genuinely well-rounded remodeling and demolition tool. For pros who need reliability on the job site day after day, the DCS 367B is easily one of the best cordless options on this list. Coming in at number 8, this is the CC Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit, and it's essentially the same brushless 21-volt, 3,500 RPM setup from our number 1 pick, but bundled with two 4-ampere-hour batteries for extended runtime. Tool-free blade change and a LED work light are both included, keeping things practical for real-world use. This kit positions itself as a budget-friendly cordless option that doesn't ask you to sacrifice performance for the price. If you want a complete cordless setup, saw, batteries, charger, and blades without a premium price tag, this CC kit gets the job done. At number 9, we have the Galax Pro 120-volt reciprocating saw, a no-frills corded saw that targets entry-level users who just want to get cutting. It features variable speed, tool-free blade change, and about a 1 to 1/8 inch stroke, covering wood, metal, and PVC without any fuss. It also comes bundled with multiple blades and carry accessories, which is genuinely useful when you're just getting started and don't have a blade collection yet. A straightforward, accessible option for beginners who need a corded saw and want everything ready right out of the box. Closing out our list is the Milux Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a compact and lightweight cordless design aimed squarely at light-duty DIYers. It comes with a battery included, variable speed control, and tool-free blade change. Everything you need for basic wood, metal, and PVC cutting around the house. It's not going to handle tough demolition tasks, but for the occasional home project or quick trim job, it fits the bill without weighing you down. If you need something simple, portable, and easy to store, the Milux is a perfectly fine light-duty companion. So there you have it, the 10 best reciprocating saws for every need and budget. If we had to crown 2 standouts, the DeWalt DCS 367BXR wins for serious professionals, while the CC kit is the best bang for buck cordless option. Links in the description below. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tool guide. Which saw caught your eye? Drop a comment below, we read every one. See you in the next one.